Full Spectrum RC here, guys. I got a super exciting unboxing I've been waiting almost a year for. So I'm just going to go for it. Crack her open. Hopefully I don't wreck anything on the way. This is the Tiko 3D printer, marked at $200. It is good for 0.5 nanometers accuracy. They have it, or micrometers, I think it is. This is the quick start manual, as you can see, nice and easy. That's not really what we're looking for here. The software, regular Canadian adapter, thank God. And the meat and potatoes. Ooh. Okay. What is this in there? I guess there's even a test piece on there. That's weird. I wasn't expecting there to be one already printed. I guess let's show that it works. Tiko, nice packaging. Okay, get that out of my way. Shablam. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that in there. There's a little printed hexagon or whatever. If you look at the top, this is where the spool goes. There's a kilo of filament already in there, jammed in there. How am I going to get it out? I don't want to break anything right off the bat. Come on, you can do it. Oh my God. Damn you, Tiko. Come on. I'm gonna break it. Yeah, there we go. So, there's a kilo right there. That's more filament than I thought I was gonna get, but that's cool. Good, excellent. I'm getting it all dirty immediately. It's such a nice machine. So there's the tube for the filament to go in. And let's pop her open. I'm going to pull that little test piece out. This is definitely not staying in the basement. Where's the tape? I wonder if they kept the flexible bed. Nope, doesn't look like it. Okay, that's interesting. That is 3D printed piece. Cool. I guess that's their example. Very cool. And if you take a little look on the inside there, I am not going to mess around with that yet because I don't know anything about it. But, the smell is chemically. It must be good. This isn't coming apart, is it? No, that's just plastic. Okay, guys, that's it for my unboxing. I will get a print started ASAP.